Kid Venturers.
Hello, Kid Venturers. Have you ever wondered why we celebrate Earth Day? Is it just another normal day, or is there a special story behind it? Today, we are going to explore the answer together and learn why this day is so important for all of us. What happened to our Earth? A long time ago, people were very busy building cities, factories, and roads. Everything looked exciting and new, but something was slowly going wrong. The air was becoming dirty, rivers were no longer clean, and many animals were losing their homes. The Earth was getting sick, but not everyone noticed what was happening. How did Earth Day begin? One day, some people realized that if they did nothing, the planet would be in danger. They decided to take action and share a message with the world. In 1970, a special day was created called Earth Day. On that day, millions of people came together to help the Earth by cleaning the environment, planting trees, and protecting nature. Why is Earth so important? Today, we still celebrate Earth Day every year because the Earth is our only home. It gives us the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat. Without the Earth, life would not exist. Earth Day reminds us that the planet needs our care and attention. What can we do to help? You might think you are just a kid and cannot do much, but every small action makes a difference. When you throw trash in the right place, save water, or turn off the lights, you are helping the Earth stay healthy. Even simple actions can help protect our planet. There are also 3 powerful ideas that can help us do even more, and they are called reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce means using less, like saving water, turning off lights, and not wasting food. Reuse means using things again instead of throwing them away, like using a bottle or a bag many times. Recycle means turning old things like paper, plastic, and metal into new useful items instead of letting them become waste. When we remember to reduce, reuse, and recycle, we are taking small actions that create a big change for our planet. Are you ready to help the Earth? Now you know that helping the Earth is not difficult. We just need to remember 3 simple words: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Are you ready to say them together and have some fun? Let's sing and learn how to take care of our planet.
Reduce, reuse, recycle. Let's go green together. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Make Earth better forever. Use less plastic every day. Reuse things in a fun way. Recycle paper, glass, and more. Help the Earth we all adore. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Let's go green together. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Make Earth better forever. Use less plastic every day. Reuse things in a fun way. Recycle paper, glass, and more. Help the Earth we all adore. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Let's go green together. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Make Earth better forever. Use less plastic every day. Reuse things in a fun way. Recycle paper, glass, and more.